Hi guys, guess what? My oven decided not to work today. This is a Samsung FX710BGS. Boy, girl, Sam. What happened was that during the bake cycle, it stayed at 150 degrees and that's all it did. It didn't move at all. So, after about an hour or 2 hours of it staying in there, I shut it off, started again, and it came up back with an error code. It said ER08, ER08 or 08. That comes out to a sensor or a dash pad. Like that is the dash pad. I never got it wet and all that stuff. So I'm going to go with the sensor. The temperature sensor is located in the oven, all the way in the back. It was that one right there with the two Phillips screws. Okay, two Phillips screws. Comes out. Take the screws out. That sensor comes out, and in the back there is a aluminum panel with about 10 to 12 screws. You take that panel out and you're going to see the plug. Here it is right here. All right, so here's the sensor. Screws. It's this way. Once you pull it out, you can't pull the plug through the hole. Some people say you can, but you know what? My harness was tied in the back. So instead of breaking the wires and breaking the plug and what else you're going to break, don't pull it. Just go to the back, take the panel off, and you're going to see this plug. You see this plug? You just squeeze this little tab here. Okay? Squeeze a little tab and it comes right out. Replace it. Simple as that. Now the part number that I was looking for is that one right there. DG3200002B. That was the sensor probe. Found it on eBay. Less than $10 shipped, which is pretty good. E08 code. That was the code that I got. All right, I replaced it and it works just fine. Okay, let's see here. Let's set it up. Let's go to 350. It's going to start at 150. It's going to work its way up. All right. Oh, don't forget. You got to start it. That helps, right? Okay. Hang on. There you go. Working its way up. Okay. Not stuck at the 150 no more. And there's no guarantee that your E08 is a sensor, but the sensor is cheap enough, less than $10, and it's better than going for a pad. All right. So this one solved my problem. Hope it solves yours. Ciao.